Hi everybody, welcome to ShivaPrabhu Natural Farm. In this video, I'm going to talk about how to prepare a Vermiwash drum to extract Vermiwash, which can be beneficial to all the naturally and organically grown crops. We also produce Panchagavya, which you can see on the bottles over there. I would like to teach people who are interested to prepare a Vermiwash drum right from the scratch. Come, let's go. So here we see the materials required to prepare the Vermiwash tank. So first of all, we need 200-liter drum, and then the tap. We take a ball valve. So this is ball valve, and we have an adapter or a connector, then an FTA to it. And to extend a bit, we can use a PVC pipe, and all of these are 3 by 4 inches. Yeah, and we take an iron rod to make a hole in the drum. Later, we have to place materials. Firstly, bricks from the bottom 9 inches. Yeah, after bricks, you have to place 40 stones over the bricks again for 9 inches. After the 40 bricks, then stones, we place 20 stones for another 9 inches. Then followed by a sand or sand for another 9 inches above the small jellies or small baby stones. Later, we take a mesh net to cover the sand that is used for filtration. So over the mesh, we place semi-compost raw material, around about 50 kilos. Then that is poured into the drum, like you see it here. Then we put around 20 liters of water to settle all the sediments. Once this is done, we take our collected earthworms for 5 kilos, and then we start pouring water by drop. So this is collected Vermiwash. Come, let's start the preparation process. So first of all, we heat the rod and make a hole to insert the tap. You can see the tap hole is already ready. So that's outside, and you also see it inside the drum. Now let's place the adapter to the hole and make sure it is tightly fitted. And then we insert the sealing and then the thread. So we make sure it is tight enough so there is no leakage. Then we connect the FTA and then little bit of extension which is done by PVC, and over which we connect the ball valve, and again some PVC if an extension is needed. So now the tap is ready. We will place the bricks now to the drum, empty drum. So now we start placing the bricks for first 9 inches from the bottom. Okay. Then for another 9 inches, like I said previously, we will place 40 stones. See, now it's getting loaded, nicely stacked up for another 9 inches. Then we place a small 20 stones for another 9 inches, followed over the 40 stones. We are stacking it up, and this is also nicely done. Now we load it with a sand for next 9 inches over 20 stone. So let's collect and pour sand over it. So these are the river sand which is available next to our farm, so it was easy for us. Now we place the mesh like you see it here, and then pour water 20 liters of water or 40 liters of water, collect all the sediments in the drum, and then pour it again few times. Repeat it until all the sediments are collected and you start getting the clear water. So we discarded the sedimented water, and now we start pouring the fresh water in order to see if we can collect the transparent water color. So maybe it needs few days. Once that is done, we place semi-compost. See, this is the semi-composting area, and we are already getting earthworms directly from our land, and we just take those compost and place it over the drum, maybe another 15-20 inches, and then start pouring the fresh water and wait again for this water to be collected at the bottom. So now you can already see the water color is getting more and more transparent. You repeat it until it is clearly transparent, after which you have to place a collected earthworms over the semi-compost. Now let's place those earthworms. Yeah, so these are basically. So let's take out all the worms and nicely distribute it. Yeah, see, these are the earthworms, very nice ones for composting and also for collecting the Vermiwash. So now we place another bit of semi-compost over the top of earthworms. Now that is done, we have to make sure a nice water supply to these drums. So we have taken the mud pot and we make in a small hole using the drill bit. Once this is done, so we can place this over the drum. See how nicely the holes are done. See the inside portion of it. So we place these mud pots over the drum just by tying it up. It's one of the methods, so you can use different methods. So in the hole we insert the thread and pour the water on top, and make sure the water is getting out of the mud pot drop by drop, so that the compost is not over watered or over moistured, so that earthworms are dying. So if this kind of output is taken care, so we get a very nice golden color output like this. So normally Vermiwash has to be this golden yellow, otherwise the quality is not good. Make sure you get this quality. Yeah, so you can see here we have collected nearly 1000 liters of Vermiwash, which we also use along with Panchagavya to get the best results out of it. So Dr. Ismail Sultan, earthworm man of India, recommends to combine Vermiwash and Panchagavya, which yields in excellent results in any of the crops that you grow. So if you are ready, please prepare the Vermiwash and Panchagavya for yourself and try to apply on your crops to get the excellent results. If not, we are here to supply you. Please contact us. So for example, we are making taking the banana pots and drenching it over Vermiwash and Panchagavya mixture, so that Bijamrita is done, and these plants shall be resistant to diseases. So you can look at our farm here, how nicely and healthy are the plants. These are banana and turmeric plantation along with 5-layer model with areca nut and coconut. So why are you waiting? So please plan and start preparing yourself. Thank you. Bye bye.